Hi friends, Tracy Bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. Thank you for pressing play on my channel today. This is card 3 from the Paper Pumpkin kit for June, Bikes and Blooms, and this is another great card. All 3 card designs have bicycles in them, very spring, very cute, and I love how they turned out. This one's a little bit different because unlike the other 2 where they had die-cut bicycles, this one has a card front piece that is a bicycle. So we're adding a few layers with this one. So the sentiment is on that little label die cut piece, and as you can see I stamped it a little wrong, turned it over, and we are fine. Then we're going to stamp some of those butterflies. Now in that stamp set there are 2 different butterflies. One stamp has 2 butterflies attached and the other one has a single one that's a little bit bigger, so we're actually using both of those designs there. And we're also going to add some stamped flowers onto that little white die cut piece. I actually thought they were clouds, but they're not. They're actually for our flowers to go down on our card in the basket. So so we're adding all our pieces here. Now everything is going to have dimensionals on it except for that Old Olive die cut piece. We're actually going to add some mini glue dots to that, and you also, once we've added our twine, which is 12 inches of twine, we're going to adhere that down to that Old Olive piece with a mini glue dot. So lots and lots of dimensionals used on this card as well. Don't worry, Stampin' Up! Gives you lots of dimensionals in your kit, but you're going to be well supported with all 3 cards. Let me know if you've watched all 3 card designs, which one is your favourite. I'm going to have to go, I don't know, it's between the first and the second one, the Old Olive one and the Calypso Coral, but I think I'm going to go with card 2. I actually really love that larger die cut bike. I just think that that's really, really cute. Okay, so we're just adding our popped up pieces here. Again, we could certainly, save some of those die cuts in this card for future cards if you're, trying to save your stash a little bit for future cards. Now what's really great about Paper Pumpkin subscribers, so once you've subscribed, you can get refills which are super inexpensive, and that will get you all the card kit supplies, everything except for the block. If this is your first block, if it's the first Paper Pumpkin kit, you won't get that. You won't get the stamp set, and you don't get the ink spot, but all the paper pieces are all part of that refill kit, so that is available. Now this is also the last month that we can use the wonderful scenes dies with the kit, or that's a coordinating add-on. Next month's going to have another 3-month add-on that we can purchase that die for. Okay, again we're going to use that envelope, and I'm using that little bike stamp and some little butterflies as well. So this is the 3rd card. I'm going to have lots more projects coming out using the this kit as an alternative craft ideas, so please join me for that. Do you see how I stamped that bicycle on the back of that envelope too? That's a great idea as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's card. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, leave a comment, and hit subscribe. Alright everyone, have a wonderful day. I'll see you all soon. Bye!